Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing this, which is the McPlant by McDonald's. There are quite a few requests after the Burger King vegan range video I did. Very successful, thank you for all your views on that one. I thought we'd give this one a go. So there we go, the McPlant. It's very small. It's got a very power patty. Let's have a look into it and see what we've got in there. So we've got the 2 gherkins in there. Got a little dollop of ketchup in the top there. A little bit of mayo, cheese, lettuce, tomato, the usual suspects. Not sure this is going to be very nice actually, because that burger does look very pow. But let's give it a go. Let's put it all back together. We've got a bit of cheese in there as well. Let's give it a go. The burger's very soft and squidgy, or the patty's very soft and squidgy. It's not really meat texture, to be honest with you. It tastes more like a sausage patty, like a foreign. Yeah, more like a sausage patty, really. I feel. It's nice, squidgy seedy bun. Let's give it another go. I guess it's got its place for vegans. Not something I'd order again. It's okay. Would I order that again? No, I wouldn't, to be honest. I would definitely wouldn't order that one again. But it doesn't taste too bad. It tastes nice. It tastes more like a sausage patty to me. Very soft, squidgy. Other than that, all the flavours are there. That's my review.